This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to allow file transferring on your Motorola phone. So you can take your USB cable from your PC and just plug it in right here. And when you accept the permission that pops up, all you have to do is go to File Transfer right here. And you should be able to transfer your pictures now to your PC. Just go into your DCIM folder on your phone, and you should be able to transfer all the pictures there then. So we can just swipe down from the top left. If that doesn't pop up, we can see USB transfer is on. So just tap right here. You'll see all these different options. Make sure you go to File Transfer right here and allow it. If you have this set to just charging, your phone is just going to charge and it won't connect to your computer at all. So you can see I have it connected there. And now what I can do is take my phone, and you can see it's connected to my computer. And then File Explorer opened up. So what I can do now with File Explorer opened up is just go into here, click into here, go to the DCIM folder, camera, and then here's all my pictures I took with that Motorola phone. And you can see these are all deleted files because it says trashed on here. But I can just take these now and transfer it over with my computer settings now. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.